Lab guy here. I'm going to show you the point I'm at 1:30 on Sunday, May 3rd. I think it's the 3rd. With this Iconoscope camera. I have a test pattern ready to go. I have the camera operational at this point after replacing many parts. I have the power supply down here on the floor now because it seems to be stable for the moment, and the camera is connected right there with that 8-pin plug. I've been viewing the output on the oscilloscope, which isn't gratifying, so I thought I'd get an analog TV monitor so that I could see it. My digital television monitor will not unblank and let me see the image. Down here was the monitor that I went to storage today and pulled out, and in my haste to get it operational, I managed to burn that out. So these things go. So the next operational analog video monitor that I found was a viewfinder, a 1/2-inch viewfinder. And so I wired it up anyways. So now I'm going to attempt to duplicate what happened earlier. We turn on the power supply and let all the tubes warm up. And we turn on the viewfinder. It's ready. And we hook up the video cable. That there would have been embarrassing. And then we hit the B+ switch and we come over here and see what we get. Well, currently it's giving me hum bars. Earlier it was working. So through that you can actually see the test pattern. Alrighty, I'm going to start tweaking the camera again. Wow. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see the test pattern in there. Alright, this is horizontal sawtooth. This flattens the field of view horizontally. We obviously have a large 120 Hertz hum bar in our picture. So we're going to try to squint through that and see our video. I suspect I'll have to replace an electrolytic capacitor, probably more than one. Vertical speed. I'm setting it so that the vertical, what they call vertical speed, the vertical scan frequency gives me 2 bars, because I know the bars are at 120 Hertz and the video should be at 60. Believe it or not, the test pattern is in there. I am now adjusting the beam current in the orthicon tube, in the Iconoscope tube, and it's wreaking havoc on the hum. Yikes. Screwdriver slipped off of this pot, and the pot happens to be insulated from ground because it's sitting at negative hundreds of volts or thousands of volts. Now I'm going to adjust the beam focus, but I think I had it pretty good to start with. Yeah. Wow. Almost laid my hands on the high voltage wiring on the other side of a panel. Okay, can you see the picture moving back and forth? There's the test pattern. So we have a picture on that. Now if I rock the camera, you can see there is video in there. So amazing. That's the test pattern. It looks like the vertical. Oh well, see, I could adjust the scan size so that it encompasses that test pattern. I don't know if I want to do that or not. It looks like the vertical linearity might. Vertical centering. Alright. There's height. Yes. Wow. I don't know if you see what I see. But I see the test pattern. I'll bet you $1 to a donut I could continue to tweak this thing all day and it will never settle in. I'm going to try to adjust the video gain again. There we go. There we go. Wow. Apparently this monitor has an incredible lock range. Are you able to see the test pattern in there? Vertical centering. Huh. Let's try that. Whoa. Where'd you go? Oh, look at that. Wow. Okay. Well, you saw it here first at Lab Guy's World. That's a picture, all right. Horizontal frequency. I'm going to have to put a frequency counter on this guy. He needs to be 15,750. It doesn't look like he gets there. It doesn't help this dumb monitor will lock to anything. That's great. Good to know. Tiny as it is. Alright. Well, that is Iconoscope video for the first time from this camera. I'll have to hunt down that hum bar and fix it. It might be as simple as slipping the cover on the camera.